Welcome back to another new exciting video, guys. Finally another two new stealth model. One name is Hunter Alpha, another name is Healer Alpha, and these two models are freely available on Open Router, and I have tested this model inside my VS Code locally. And one thing I have mentioned in my thumbnail that it is the open source GPT 5.4. Why I told you? Because I have found some similarity in the output in this model Healer Alpha and Hunter Alpha, and also the GPT 5.4. So here you see that from this Healer Alpha, this is the output, and from this Hunter Alpha, this kind of output I got. Okay, this is a cool, amazing website that I have found, and the same kind of website, the output I made using GPT 5.4. So those who have watched my GPT 5.4 video, they already know that there I made a cool website. Here you see with free codecs, right? So I will give you a complete idea that how much capability this model have, and also if you are interested to know that who is the actual provider of this two stealth model. So I found some of the information from internet. So one person is telling that Hunter Alpha is from the DeepSeek version 4, because we already know that DeepSeek is going to publish the version 4 model around March and February. So February already gone, so March is already going on. They may publish this model, and also this Healer Alpha is from the Kimi, so the new model can be Kimi K3. Okay, but we are not sure. Now there is a solid proof that this person has given that why this can be the DeepSeek version 4, because here you see that this model has the 1 million context window. So if you go to this Hunter Alpha, here you see that 1 million context window, and also it is a 1 trillion parameter model. And you see that this Healer Alpha, this is a 262K context window. So this person has given one screenshot that this one Kimi K2.5, this model has this 262K token context window. So this token number, this context window number is actually matching with this Healer Alpha 262 and 144. So that's why he told that it may be from the Kimi provider, and it may be the Kimi K3. And also some other person are telling that this may be the DeepSeek version 4 and DeepSeek version 4 V4 Lite. Okay, and some other telling that Hunter Alpha is the DeepSeek version 4. It is okay, but Hilliard Alpha can be the Xiaomi Mimo or Kimi K3. Okay, so there are lots of confusion are going on, but I may tell you that this model, one of the model can be from the DeepSeek model. Okay, and if I just show you the capabilities, so here you see that what they have written. For this Hunter Alpha, here you see that this model has the frontier intelligence capability built for agentic use. It excels at long horizon planning and complex reasoning and sustained multi-step task execution with the reliability and instruction following precision that frameworks like OpenClaw need. Now, this instruction following capability I have also observed when I gave this kind of prompt inside this VS Code that I need this kind of website. It actually properly followed all of this instruction. And if you see the reasoning part, so I tested this Hunter Alpha reasoning capability inside this Open Router. So basically, if you click on this chat, you will find this kind of page, and there I gave it a tricky reasoning question. And one of the interesting thing is that these two model, Hunter Alpha and Hillard Alpha, they both are very fast model. If you use it, you will find that it is a very fast model. Okay, and you see that I asked ChatGPT that I want to test a high reasoning LLM model, give me some hard tricky question, and it has found some of the popular hard tricky question. So what I did that I have taken this kind of question, this question randomly, and I copied it and pasted it here. You see, pasted it here. Okay, and here you see that I got this answer, and the answer is with 50 they depart together on 50th night. Okay, and here you see that this is the answer. On 50th night, all 50 live together. So answer is actually matching. That means this model really have the great reasoning capability. And also this model is a best coding model that I can say in open source category. Why I'm telling it open source? Because if it is from the DeepSeek, or if it is from the Kimi, or if it is from the Xiaomi, they both have published the open source model. Okay, and the new model can be from the this provider, and if it is from this provider, then it will be a open source model. So in this open source category, this model might be going to the best model in future. Okay, because I really have tested the capability. Okay, so as I'm talking about this capability, so let me show you the output from the GPT 5.4. Okay, so if I go to my project folder, where is my project folder? Okay, this is my project folder, and here you see inside this I have this GPT 5.4, right? So if I open it inside VS Code, with transparency I am showing you all of these things, guys. So please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel to get this kind of transparent video and to get the actual latest information. So it is just activating this extension. Okay, let me just click on this go live, and it will open that. So it is the output from the GPT 5.4, right? And if I just scroll it, here you see a simple animation. Not simple, it is a very complex animation that you will see. Okay, so here you see. Okay, so it is the output from the GPT 5.4. Now if I show you the output from the Hunter Alpha, so where is that Hunter Alpha? Where is that Hunter Alpha? So I think it is open here, right? Yes, Hunter Alpha is this. So here you see this is the output from the Hunter Alpha. So if I just scroll down, and here you see some kind of complex animation, and here also we have animation. So it is looking very powerful, animated, and also production ready, good looking website, right? And here you see from phase 2, from when I'm going to phase 3, it is getting vanished in the background, and phase 3 is coming. And here you see it is from the Hunter Alpha. Now if I show you the output from the Healer Alpha, so this is the what is that? This is the output from the Healer Alpha. Here you see when I'm scrolling it, here also we have these complex animations. These animations are totally different from the Hunter Alpha. And here you see that one thing is missing here, which is this background. Means in case of Healer Alpha, if I show you again, then you will understand. So what is happening in case of Healer Alpha? When I am going from phase 1, here you see that phase 1 is written here. When I am going from phase 1 to phase 2, so phase 1 going on the background, and then phase 2 is overlapping on that. But in case of Healer Alpha, here you see that it is just a normal scrolling. Okay. So one thing is clear that Hunter Alpha is the great coding model, and it is the more strongest model. Okay, because it is the 1 trillion parameter model. So this is the main flagship model, and you can say this Healer Alpha, this is the lightweight version of this Hunter Alpha. Okay, so you can say that this model is the DeepSeek version 4, and this Healer Alpha is the DeepSeek version 4 Lite. And also this Healer Alpha is purposefully built for the vision, hearing, and reasoning action capabilities, means it is a multimodal model. Okay, so Hunter Alpha is the main model, and Healer Alpha is the lightweight version of this Hunter Alpha. I think you got the point. So yes, these are the information that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you got the clear idea that why this Hunter Alpha and Healer Alpha is the game changer model in the open source category. Means if this model are from the DeepSeek, then they will surely release it for the open source, means as the open source. So and if it is open source, then I will definitely say that this is going to be the game changer model. Okay. So what do you think about this two model? Please test it in your machine locally and let me know your thought, your experience in the comment section. Okay, one thing guys, if you want to know that how you can test it inside VS Code, just go to this VS Code extension and there install this client extension. And inside this client, what you can do, go to the settings option, select this API provider as the open router, and select this model Hunter Alpha or Healer Alpha from this drop down, and provide your API key. So for API key, I think all of you already know, and let me show you again. Just go to this open router and go to your profile, and there you will find keys option. Okay, so go there and click on this create button here, on this create button, and it will open one pop-up. Give any name here, click on this create, and you will get your API key and paste it here in this section. Do it for the plan mode and act mode, and you are good to go to use this model. And you can do the same for the kilo code or any other extension that you are using, like RuCode. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.